Nanay Diling, happy birthday. So, I hope nga malipayon ka sa imong birthday. So, unsa may atong giihaw, nabay litson din ha. So, hopefully, manghinaot mi dinhi sa US nga naa ka sa kanunay sa maayong panlawas. Magampo mi nga kanunay nga tagaan pagagdugang taas nga kinabuhi aron makabalik pa ka dire kauban sa wala pa kaanhi dinhi. So padayon basta ang importante malipayon ka, maay kaglawas sa kanunay. So magampo mi para nimo. Again, happy birthday sa imuha.
Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Happy New Year. And then ni Bubot pod og ni Cheryl and the kids, Modilin, April, Stephanie and Dads and friends and relatives also. Happy New Year to all. We miss you all. More birthdays to come. Good health. God bless you all.
Happy birthday, Modilin. Have many more birthdays to come. You're still young. Come visit America sometime soon.
Yeah.
Hi, Grandma. So, happy birthday. We miss you. I miss your jokes and your laugh. And come and visit for Lily's first birthday. She's getting big now.
Okay, si Lily po. Lily.
Say hi. No, be nice.
Say hi, si Lily.
Lily the Great.
Lily girl. Lily girl.
Say hi.
Hi, Grandma. It's Keith. Happy birthday. I miss you. I love you. I missed your cooking. Yeah, come visit Lily for her birthday in April. She's gonna be turning 1, and I hope you have a good birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mare! Wealth and love always. Happy birthday. After more years to come, Mare. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Happy birthday, man. Oh, ginagay ko makaagwantas kami ngayon mo. Alam.
Yeah.
Yes, yan na, Mare. Kita na po kunay. Nusa ka, balik ka rin. Para makita na ka. Okay, bye-bye.
Sing kanta, Lily, 1, 2, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, happy ko sa amin kaya tama ko. Happy birthday na yun, nasa sa amin. Okay, talaga po. Happy birthday, Nay! I wish you many more birthdays to come. Good health, and I love you. Happy birthday, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Happy birthday! One by one. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
Delay.
Happy birthday, Nana Jillian. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
And a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I miss you, Nana.
I miss you.
I miss you, Nana Jillian.
And then, I love you.
Love you. I love you.
Okay, ikaw, Yusef. You say happy birthday, Lola Diling.
Happy birthday to Lola Jillian.
I miss you.
I miss you. Thank you, Mister.
I love you.
Cheese.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay. Okay, you want come here? Okay, okay, you say happy birthday, Lola Diling.
Happy birthday, Lola.
You want happy birthday? Sige na.
No, I don't like it.
No.
Look at it.
Happy birthday. Ala, kiss na lang, kiss, kiss, kiss.
I don't like it.
Lily the Great.
Lily girl. Lily girl.
No, don't do that.
Boom.
She can stand up now.
Kaya mo pasayaw ni.
Bong tarat tarat. Okay, ina sa
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Hope you have a great birthday. Wish you good health and enjoy your birthday. Take care always.
Happy birthday. Sana na-enjoy yung birthday mo.
It's me, Gary V, and we're here at the ASAP 18 backstage. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. God bless you even more and more each day as this, your birthday, extends to hindi lang birthday, pero birth. Hindi lang happy birthday, but happy year, entire year ahead. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I hope this birthday will bring you good tidings and that your Christmas will be perfect. That years will be more productive. God bless. Happy birthday. See you.
I want to wish you a very happy birthday and wish you all the best. God bless.
This is John Lloyd. Wishing you a happy birthday and pwede ba ako mag-I love you? Happy birthday. Sorry dahil ako nakapunta. Kanya dahil alam mo kung gano'n like yung birthday ko. Pero mahal na mahal kita. Sana lagi po kayo mag-ingat. Good health. Saka sana po lalo pang dumami ang blessing sa buhay niyo. At maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at pag-suporta mo sa akin. Pag na rin kitang mahal. Sana lagi kayong maligaya. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love the way you hold me. I love the